Okay, you can join up now.
Okay.
I'm so fast.
Oh shoot, did I just make a shockwave?
Okay, so basically, if you backflip, you can auto roll. Because you're so fast.
Bro's built like a 1x1 Lego piece. What even is a 1x1 Lego piece?
We're already full. Did you crush that one?
Did I?
Because there's just a dead one on the floor.
Did I do?
Okay, let's just go. We have food.
You can crush bats under me, bro.
You can crush lizards. Also, the whole gimmick of my character is I'm really fast. Oh no, you gotta get over here fast. I triggered the raid.
Already?
You gotta dive. You gotta dive. You can't make the jump.
Oh. Ooh la la, la la. Ooh.
Holy crap! I was able to backflip up here. You really.
I feel like this will. Oh, the rivulet reminds me of that one dude in Action, insanely overpowered for no reason.
I hit him with a spear. Run.
Oh, he can't even eat my fat ah. He can't even eat my fat ah.
You're tired. You're tired. You're tired. Your fat ass tired. Nice.
He can't eat my fat ah, bro. He can't eat my fat ah.
You gotta sit down. You're tired. I saved you.
Wait, what? I thought I died.
You were incapacitated. He's dead.
So fine, but her breath is like she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Looking like a star. Bitch don't have no panties. When I hit the 3, I hit the.
It takes me forever to go through little areas, like the little crevices.
I know, because you're so.
Not because I'm tired, literally just because I'm a fat off. Oh shoot.
You're missing so bad. I hit him. I'm looping back. I'm gonna grab a spear again.
It did nothing.
Yeah,
Just
you hit his
help me,
head.
bro.
I hit you. I got. No! You're dead. He went into his shelter thingy. Okay. Just wait for it to close. Okay, now I can I just wall jump? Why are you gonna set up? Oh wait, I forgot. There's a glitch where your friend just will disappear in the.
Right, I forgot about that.
How are you gonna set on me now? And now you should reappear. Wait, where are you?
It's not letting me pass through. What?
Are you like stuck?
It's literally not doing anything.
So basically, I kind of set us the wrong way. I went in, by the way, so you can join up. Oh, wait,
I picked rivulets. What are you doing to my I'm a salamander, bruh. Or an
You're like more like an
fast.
axolotl.
What the heck?
Exactly. No,
Oh, this is awesome.
No, we're not going that way.
My jumps are crazy.
Come up. I think you should play Gormanda. Oh my gosh. Jump over him.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, my bat flip is diabolical.
Go in the pipe. We're going to Industrial Complex and then we're going to Chimney Canopy. Wait, that's low-key fire.
I know, right? You should be Baby Sasha because you're the Makane.
Goo goo gaga. Hey, stand still. Wait for the door to start closing. Okay.
I'm definitely gonna be Gino because I can low-key hit those pipes totally. 100%.
My soda pop, my little soda pop. Every drop I drink up, you're my soda pop, my little soda pop. I can actually get off my head now. not carrying you to 5 pebbles. Don't you dare get back on my head.
What were you doing to me?
Take your spear. Okay, never mind. There's spears
Oh,
out here.
I
There's
forgot
spears out here. Oh, never mind. I guess you can
Oh.
grab your own.
You're gonna cut out the thing we were just talking about out of the recording, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
I'm probably just gonna keep the gameplay in, but I'm gonna take out the audio.
Oh. Then what? Why would? No offense, but why would people want to watch just a 20-minute video of just an objectively boring game to watch?
Well, I'm gonna do the funny parts where you get attacked by a lizard and like nearly freaking die.
You're gonna be what?
I'm gonna make it the funny parts where you get attacked by a lizard and nearly die. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, you can like wall jump and then combo that. Wait.
Oh, oh! And I fell.
Did you just die?
No, I'm alive. I just fell.
Is there any way you can get up? Or you might just have to die.
I don't know if there's anything I can do, to be completely honest.
Yeah, you might just have to die.
I'm sure there is a way. It's just a long way. I might as well just die, yeah. I'm gonna exit and just wait for you.
Oh, that's not a pole mimic? Wow, I'm surprised. Wait, are we already full on hunger? Yeah, we are, because we ate those berries. Oh yeah, we're at the area.
3K.
I gotta look at the map. Oh yeah, I'm going the right way. Oh my god, it's a vulture. I think vultures are maybe just maybe. I'm being... Okay, they ran away because I hit them. Come back. Arise.
Arise.
Wait, why are you Survivor?
Why am I Survivor? Very good question.
I mean, do you want to change real quick?
No, I'll be fine. Yes, please.
Yeah, just go to lobby. I'm gonna get to the gate. Oh my god, there's a blue, and I don't have a spear. I don't have a spear. What the helly? I should fall. And there's a white right there. I literally see it. I'm gonna kill it. Watch this. I raised my spear. And there's a vulture. I'm pretty sure. I'm getting the hell out of there. Ooh, berries. Oh, fun fact, Rivulet has no fur at all. They're just like silky smooth.
Blood cats?
No, Rivulet specifically.
Oh. Well, I mean, he's an axolotl.
Yeah, he can.
Blood cats have fur?
Yeah, they do. They're a little fluffy, especially Saint.
You mean monk?
No, Saint.
What is a saint do?
He's kind of broken if you can have 10, if you have 10 karma. Dude, where is the shelter in here? Is there no shelter in?
What does
Oh
he
my
do?
god.
What does he do?
Basically, if he has 10 karma, he can fly and quote-unquote ascend creatures. And what I mean by ascend is he basically shoots them with a revolver. Oh, we have to go across. Like, he also has a tongue. So he can, kind of, like, grapple around like he's freaking Spider-Man. Who does Homeboy think he is? Oh, where do I have to go? I need to go up. Okay, we need to go up, and then when you come back from eating, I'm assuming, you gotta go down and to the left to like, make it to the wall. I just realized this is gonna be your first time talking to 5 Pebbles. There's a lizard somewhere. Nope. Even worse, there's a vulture.
King vulture.
No, that's not a king.